Go for it.
Hi, my name's William Clyde. I had my knee replaced at Dr. Matt Varacallo's 15 days ago, and as it is right now, I had therapy done, and 15 days I'm off the walker and off the cane, doing very well. Hopes to get back to work in 6 to 8 weeks.
And you planning on doing your other side?
Yes,
All right.
probably around September, somewhere around there.
Okay, sounds good.
Very happy with Dr. Varacallo.
What's your pain level like right now?
4.
4? And that's after working with physical therapy?
Yes, I had
And
physical therapy before I come in.
physical. So after physical therapy, pain's a 4 out of 10. What was your range of motion measurement today?
120.
0 to 120.
Yes.
And what about most of your friends told you you need 3 to 4 months to go back? What are your thoughts on that?
I was just talking to a friend of mine. His wife just had hers done out of state college, and she couldn't even go up the steps for 4 weeks after she had it done. I was up and down the steps the very first day I got home.
Excellent. And what job do you have? Like what kind?
I'm a warehouseman at DuBois Logistics in DuBois, Pennsylvania.
Yeah, so you're on your feet all day.
Yes.
Yeah, and using the pallet jack and manual machinery.
Yes, stand-up high lift.
Excellent. So very happy with your results so far.
Yes, I am.
All right, excellent. Thank you.